The National Guard has been deployed. We have over 300 guardsmen that are active. They are out in our communities. They are doing everything from going door to door, though in many of these communities we don't have doors anymore.
I know they don't have no electricity, so that means they don't have no no restaurants, no running water, so I just figure I'd do what I can do. Show up with some food and some water. Hamburger, chicken, I got sausage, egg, just a little simple stuff that you can have and not have to worry about making a mess or grab and go type of food.
This whole tornado, y'all, has changed my life. I ain't prayed in 5 years. Last night I hunkered down in this house right here and prayed. Keep me and my family safe. It's the only reason we're alive today.